What is up, YouTube? Johnny B here again today, and we're gonna be working on a Corvette, one of the new ones with the rear engine or mid-engine. We have Al here as the owner of it. You've probably seen him on the channel before from, I think we've had one of his cars on the channel. I wide-bodied and he had it wrapped the same color. But now he's traded that in for a Corvette, which is a huge upgrade, and it's gonna be my first time getting to touch one of these. So we're gonna be removing all the whole rear end, putting on a Corsa exhaust right here, because the stock one isn't loud enough for him. So let's see how it's gonna sound, you know, from what it sounds now to after. We have the car up on the lift. Now we gotta start removing everything that is gonna be in the way for us to install the exhaust. So we gotta remove both inner fender liners. We gotta remove this little plastic piece here. This one that's right here as well. And we have to remove the whole rear bumper to be able to get access to this. So yeah, let's get started. We got a bunch of 7 mils that we gotta remove. And then I'll see you guys once we got all this removed. And here it is with everything removed. The exhaust is removed. See the header with the cat right there. And the stock exhaust. This weighs 75 pounds and the new exhaust is gonna weigh 50 pounds. So that's like 25 pound weight. Yeah, 25 pound weight reduction. And then according to Corsa, you're also gonna get 18 horsepower and 16 pounds of torque. So a little bit more power, but the important thing here is noise, I believe, right? Yeah. That's what we want. So this looks kind of crazy. Since we got the exhaust off, this is the best time to install these new heat shields. They're like an add-on for the Corsa exhaust to delete basically the shiny silver, because when you look through the back, you're gonna see that. So this is gonna kind of like make that go away and hide, and it's still going to protect it, and it's actually going to protect it a lot more because it's a lot bigger piece of the heat shield. So it's going to look cool once you look through the bumper, see the exhaust, and you'll just not see anything else back there because this is black. So I'll put these on right now that we have everything out of the way.
Looks kind of the same.
Yeah, so we got the X pipe on, we got the valves on, got this little extra piece, and now we got to do the little curved pipes that are going to be basically where the tips are going to mount. Yeah, it's looking good. This looks really cool. I wonder how that would look with like some titanium heat wrap. Like imagine it covered in this stuff. It would help out for heat, and it would also kind of look cool, but that looks like it'll be tough to wrap. So we got the rear end all put back together. All this was taken apart. Bumper was obviously removed. Look at the new tips. It looks so good. Let's see how it sounds. So this thing has remote start. What it sounds like. That sounds real good. All right, we're all done. Al's just getting ready to head out. We put some spacers to get the wheels to sit flush, and then also added like some little like splitter guards just to protect the carbon fiber splitter that they put on.